Hey everybody, if this is your first time on my page, I am Jennifer. I'm the owner of A-List Party Favors, and today we're going to be cutting up these super cute 21st Pink Out Brunch Kit Kats. So I showed you guys how it looked before, and this is the paper. We're cutting the excess off the edges, and then we're going to slice it down the middle. So on my print sheet, I have 2 Kit Kats on each sheet, and that's the way I set it up to get printed. I'm going to make my creases. And then I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and put some crinkles in this paper. So I'm making my creases on the first few, and then I'm going to grab my crinkler so that we can do the crinkle effect on the Kit Kat bars, because who doesn't like a Kit Kat bar with crinkles? Like, they look great with the crinkle effect. Now, I'm not a fan of putting the crinkle effects on the chip bags, but for little smart treats like fruit snacks and Kit Kats, yes, they look pretty awesome. Man, check out this design. This design looks so darn cute. I cannot wait to see the finishing touches at the client's party. But anyway, we're going to open up the paper, put the Kit Kat bars inside like this. Of course, you guys know I love using a hot glue gun. I don't have time for the tape. To me, it takes too much time, and I like to get my orders shipped, packed, gone. So I'm adding my glue gun to both ends, pressing it down, holding it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then, of course, I'm using my APF shears to go ahead and add the finishing touches. Look how cute this thing look. Oh, my gosh. Like, girl, you're officially on the A-list. Look at her treats. I cannot wait to see how everything is going to come out. These treats look amazing. You guys can place your order on alistpartyfavors.com. Remember, we can do any type of event, any type of style. You want it, I'm going to create it. See ya.